In today's video, I want to show you a new integration, something that we didn't have before GPT-5. Well, all the pieces were there, but they just wouldn't connect until OpenAI played with the algorithm and poof, a new mechanic was born. Very useful, very handy. I use it daily and yeah, I work less. And once you understand it and start working with it, you will also work less, or your work will be of a higher quality. And before we get down to the video that I'm pretty sure you got the idea of what I'm about to show you from the thumbnail, I just wanted to say, if there is any content that I can make for you that will help you make AI more useful, please let me know down in the comments, because this YouTube channel is more than just a channel. It's a community that I am trying to build with you, and the way to do that is to communicate with each other and help each other. So let me know down in the comments whatever you need, even if it's a short video where I show you, yeah, do 1, 2, 3, perfect, I will do that for you. I love it. I love helping you making AI more useful, and I learn a lot also in the process. That's enough for that. And if you're new here, hey, you're more than welcome to subscribe. Let's get down to working less. Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome for the first time. My name is Idan and I bring you the best of my knowledge so we can take ChatGPT one level higher with easy steps. And if you're here for the first time, you are more than welcome to subscribe. Let's begin, and I will show you. Excuse me for catching my breath. Let's begin. So here I am showing you the new integration. This is one of my conversations with the chat. I'm showing you my example. You are more than smart enough to take that example and make it your own in your daily needs, work, whatever you do with ChatGPT. I just show you how I use it in my ChatGPT, and from there you will take it to your place. I am making a video about the new React in GPT-5. If you don't know what it is, stay tuned. In Tuesday a video will come out about it, will be published about it. So I'm brainstorming titles with the chat, with ChatGPT-5 thinking, because there's really no reason to use the non-thinking model. And it gives me all sorts of titles that he thinks of. Building apps inside ChatGPT, as you can see, he thought for 37 seconds. React in ChatGPT, turn ideas into apps in ChatGPT, but I want my video to work. And to do that, I am missing information. Which information am I missing from the web? I'm missing research. I need to do research to see what works in these types of videos and scenarios. So instead of me now going to YouTube and researching and coming back to ChatGPT-5 and telling ChatGPT-5, hey ChatGPT-5, this is what I found. You guessed it. I can send the agent. Click. Boom, agent mode. Now you're thinking, Idan, it was there all along. No, it wasn't. It wasn't. You couldn't mid-conversation put on the agent mode. And now I can tell the agent mode, hey, agent, please review the conversation. Understand that I'm trying to find a working title for my new video React. Please go to YouTube, research YouTube, work at least 15 minutes. And bring back results to which titles are working. Thank you. You can tell the agent, if you didn't know, by the way, it's a cool anecdote. If you can tell the agent work up to 10 minutes, and it will work up to 10 minutes, and work at least. Now, does it always work? No, but it might. I will send the agent to do its work, and we won't wait here, and I won't edit the video because, as you know, I'm not editing videos. But what will happen is that the agent will work, it will research all the titles, and it will bring it back to me by title, views, title, views, title, views. And I could have also asked to see how many subscribers the dude or the dudette, that the lady that made the video had to see. The correlations doesn't matter. The point is that mid-conversation, I can switch to the agent mode from GPT-5, and after that, after the agent mode gives me the summary of what it brought, we can switch back to GPT-5. We couldn't do it before, guys and girls. We couldn't. We could start a conversation with GPT, with the agent mode, and then get all the research we wanted, and then switch to O3 or whatever to talk about it. But now we can use GPT-5, even prepare a prompt to the agent mode, and then switch to the agent mode and tell it, do whatever we said there before in the conversation. And it will have all the information from the conversation there. I promised a quick video. There's nothing really much to show you. The agent is working. I'm going to get my research, my titles, and then I will brainstorm again with GPT-5, and then I can send it to another one. I think you pretty much got the idea. I hope that I gave you some value in this video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a video that you want. This is the real thing. I will see you in the next video, in the next AI News Flash in Sunday. Bye bye.